Sport. What's up, guys? Sport here, back with another video. And of course, today I'm talking about the Nature #1. I think you're asking yourself, what the hell is that? It's actually first episode of the series The Nature. So different series about nature, not too long, not too short, something medium. Today, how it looks like on Little Pig, that is short and long. So I think there it can be many, but really so many surprises in nature. So I actually discovered so old forest because I was googling it, and oh, that's that forest because it had that kind of rocks and all this. So yeah, I think it's good, but I discovered it and recorded it. Here, that's not the forest, I'm just showing nature because this series are the nature, and this is the episode 1. Cat, what are you doing? I'm recording for YouTube, stop it! I'm sorry. So yes, I think, yes, this was just like, oh, look at this, nice sticks, right? And of course, I have got something for you. It'll be beautiful. Cat, I said you to stop. I think it'll be beautiful. So, video about forest for you. You'll see it right now. And I hope you'll enjoy it. This is the first series, actually the first episode, so please, if something is wrong, tell me and I'll try to fix it. If you have any idea for video and all this stuff, you know what I mean, right? So yes, tell me if there is anything wrong or something like that, whatever. Here I am back with another video. Yes, I'm back. So let's explore this forest. I really didn't know it, so you know what that means. We just need to explore it. Who cares if there are bears? Maybe I found a hedgehog. I don't know. Let's see, guys. Oh, wow. It's amazing. It's incredible. What a rock. Can you see this rock? These rocks are so incredible. Like, I can't explain you how good is there in this forest. Because it's a forest and nice and so old. 1,000 years, something like that, I think. So guys, here too will be the downhill. This is a downhill track. I'll ride it, I don't know, long time. Yes, you'll need to wait a long time. And here, water. It was raining yesterday, so you know, it's all muddy, a lot of mud. And I don't know, maybe I'll freestyle ski there. I like skiing too, and I can ski okay. Yes, I'm skiing okay. So guys, here is the swamp. This is the swamp, and oh my gosh, it's so muddy. Oh, I can't. No, I can't. I can't do that. I can't take this. It's like muddy so much. you just fell into the ground, something like that. You feel like that because it's swamp, and really don't go in swamps. Okay, what we have there? Kind of rook. It's a rook or what? I don't know. These threes, they are triples. These two are twins. I know. Let's see these rocks. They are so interesting, you know. Like, what is that? Here we go. Let's see. Wow. Oh gosh. Guys, this is majestic. Yes, it is. Oh, it's just a plane. For a second, I think it was a bear, but it wasn't. Which is good. Whoa, look at this rock. These rocks are pretty old. Like 500 years, something like that. I mean, no, 500 years, 500 million years. And it's forbidden to go there, but look. Yes, this is forbidden too, because it's so old forest. Yes, guys, this will be all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you want. See you. Bye. Here we are. This is the time lapse, and maybe I'll do the time lapse about nature, so this will be the nature #2, or I don't know. This is just idea. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next series, and bye.